Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate KuCoin account with 2FA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating your KuCoin account with two-factor authentication, first, log into your KuCoin account using your Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Security Settings. You will see the option for two-factor authentication, often labeled as 2FA. KuCoin will prompt you to use either the Google Authenticator app or the SMS method. If you choose the Google Authenticator option, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After installing, open the Google Authenticator app. In the app, tap on the plus icon to add a new account. Select Scan a QR code or enter a setup key based on your preference. Return to the KuCoin screen where the QR code is displayed. Scan the QR code with your Google Authenticator app. Once the account is added, the app will display a unique 6-digit code. Return to the KuCoin platform and enter the 6-digit code in the provided field. After entering the code, click Confirm. If you opted for the SMS method, enter your mobile number when prompted. KuCoin will send a verification code via SMS. Check your mobile device for the SMS message containing the code. Enter this code into the KuCoin platform. Click Confirm once you've entered the SMS code. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is successfully enabled. Remember to save your backup codes in a secure location for future recovery. Congratulations, your KuCoin account is now secured with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.